is the mask comfortable? How do you feel? How long have you worn it so far?
So comfortable. Absolutely love that. It's been, I don't know, 45 minutes, and we've been just chit-chatting and talking, and my makeup hasn't moved. I'm not super sweaty inside, which is great. So
When you
very comfortable too.
Oh, that's great. When you took it off, like even when you're sweaty, you can just take the mask off and wipe it. How has that been so far?
Super easy. All I need is just, you know, a little bit of alcohol and a wipe, and just wipe it down. And
it helps you on the go.
Yeah. And then it helps, obviously, keeping your skin nice and clean and not breaking out.
I know, such a makeup artist in you.
Yeah.
I love it. By the way, she's at Ulta on Providence Line Road. Hit her up. But that's great. I'm really glad that you enjoy this mask and that you've been one of my supportive models because you love girl time. It's so much fun playing dress up and just, you know, trying new things. And
I absolutely love how this chain is because it's so easy. Because then when you're out to eat, you just take it off just like this. And you have a cute little necklace.
Yeah. And even like, and then having the half over, it looks like you have either double chain or full chain.
Yep.
It's like when you're wearing glasses.
Yeah.
And you have that, but it's more stylish.
Yes. And then as you can see, my makeup doesn't move.
Yes. Oh my God, I love it. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe.
Yes.
Please.
Like.